In this video, we'll show you how to create songs with artificial intelligence using Suno Studio step by step, from the initial idea to having a complete song ready. The first thing we need to do is visit the official Suno website and sign into our account. Once we're inside, we'll go to Studio, which is Suno's workspace for creating and editing our own songs. Next, we'll start by creating a new song. Here, we can enter a description of what we want to generate, including details such as the music genre, style, instruments, mood, or type of vocals we want to use. We can also write our own lyrics or use Suno's tools to help us create the structure of the song. The more specific our description is, the easier it will be to achieve a result that matches what we have in mind. Inside Studio, we can work with different tracks, move sections of the song, adjust the volume, change the tempo, and make different edits to get a result that's closer to what we're looking for. We can also use stem separation to split elements such as vocals, drums, bass, and other instruments, allowing us to work with each element separately. If we want to modify a specific section, we can use Suno's editing tools to create new variations without having to start the entire song from scratch. Once we're happy with the final result, we can listen to the finished track and, depending on the features available on our account, export the song or individual stems to continue working on them in another music production program. And that's it. As you can see, creating songs with AI in Suno Studio is a fairly simple process, allowing us to turn an initial idea into a complete song and then edit it with much more control. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like for more step-by-step artificial intelligence tutorials.